Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Jake, you want to say hi?
Peace. Hi.
Oh my gosh, you're so big. He's so big. Anyways, we were supposed to have left a while ago now, but we couldn't find my keys anywhere. What can I say?
Except you're welcome.
Except you're welcome. That's Simba running around with little Belle, but I think that this might be a combination. I always say that and I end up making it one day because I get too much footage, but we're gonna be running around today, and we're gonna be running around doing errands today, and then just chilling with the fam bam. What else, baby?
Me being tall.
Yeah, you need to go wash your face. There's something on your forehead. And then tomorrow Jake has a baseball game, so that's why I said it'll probably be like a weekend kind of vlog. We'll see how it turns out, but let's go along for the ride. So while I wait to leave, I figured I might as well give you a little OOTD. I'm just waiting for Jake. Hey Simba. I'm just waiting for Jake to finish. You can see him right here in his bathroom. Let me show you my outfit. So it's really not anything like super spectacular. It's this little like off the shoulder flannel, but I really like it. I think it's super cute. Then I just have some Fashion Nova jeans because why not? And then I just have my little flip-flops. What is that? I need to clean that. That's on the mirror. I need to clean that. And I need to clean up some of Harry's food. And then this is Jake's little OOTD. Hey, you look cute.
Thank you.
So yeah, just something simple to kind of run errands in. I don't know what he's doing, but I just wanted to be comfy but still look cute, so that's why I'm wearing these. And I'm wearing these flip-flops because my feet keep swelling up really bad, and oh my god, that smudge is really bothering me down there. Damn, I lost my train of thought. Oh, my feet keep swelling up really bad, and my jeans are ripping apparently. This side too? Oh no. My feet keep swelling up really bad, and I have really high arches. I don't know if you guys can see, but whenever I wear and there's Simba, but whenever I wear like heels or something, not heels, sneakers. Why am I rambling? Hold on, let me flip you. Okay, so what I was saying was when I wear sneakers or yeah, like shoes that kind of like hold my feet like this, my feet swell up really bad. So I decided to take it easy and just wear flip-flops today. This little piece of hair is gonna drive me crazy today too, but it's okay. I think he's finally done, so time to roll. I need you to put that chair up.
Oh, I fell asleep yesterday in the car. And you woke me up.
I did.
I'm not sure how. I fell asleep with all the music you were playing. Oh, okay.
It just plays on shuffle.
No, jumbe, nope. Nope.
I love this song. Put it back so it can get me hype.
I don't like the song.
Stop, Jake, I'm filming. He didn't even realize I was recording this whole time. Say hi.
Hi.
Say bye. Alright, time to drive.
The argument, every word I come take back. He's in here.
It was a slime kit, so we decided we're gonna go to IHOP, so I can't wait to eat. I'm hungry AF.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I wanted to say that you guys are absolutely amazing.
You gotta have a good angle. Also,
I could sing a song in a great voice. You see my eyes? I like my eyes. My eyes are good. You want to hear me talk with my mouth closed? I can talk with my mouth closed. You hear this? Oh yeah.
He said, oh yeah. Jakey, tell them what the stuff on your face is.
The stuff on my face is glitter.
Yeah, he was playing with glitter last night.
That wasn't last night, that was this morning.
Oh.
Yeah, so he has like spots on his face too from where it started, like the glue and the glitter started to dry out. And I can't get it off, and I'm trying, but it's okay. We'll find like a little scrub that he can actually use.
Also, they got a cat that's named Simba.
Yeah, they know, baby. So that's Alyssa. That's my niece, guys, by the way, talking. Okay, tell them we'll show them our food on.
We'll show you our food at IHOP. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
I'm so excited. So
this tomorrow she's gonna go to the pool, and if it's warm. No, tomorrow I said I'm gonna play with you and Simba. And my Bobby said if it's warm, I can go to the pool with you guys.
Okay, but we just have to wait till after Jake's game, okay?
Okay.
So apple juice, orange juice, and hot chocolates, and I'm waiting on my splash berry now. Alyssa got her food. We're still waiting on ours, but she got mac and cheese. What'd you get, baby? You tell them.
I got mac and cheese and peach.
And apple juice. Yeah. I forgot to show you guys because I was hungry, so I started eating. This is what I always get: the steak tips and eggs, country scrambled red skin potatoes, and New York cheesecake pancakes. And these are all Alyssa's toys. Jake gets the same thing because he's a big boy now. You're big, Jake, now? You get a whole big old meal?
I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that beautiful leaf. Yeah, it is very beautiful, guys. You guys should know that. Look how beautiful it is. And look at my balloon. You see it? It's so good.
Yeah,
Guys, it's so beautiful.
It's really cool.
We found it here.
I think it's in fall.
Venga, montese.
Oh, okay.
So, lots of damage later. This is my trunk, and my trunk is pretty huge, and it's freaking stuffed to the brim. So, I realize it's much later at night. Yes, I'm holding, that's how tired I am. I'm holding the most stuff Oreos, but my mom doesn't like to be filmed, so that's why I didn't really film a whole lot with her, but I will pick it up in a little bit. By the way, we went to a lot of places. Good morning, guys. I am waiting right now for Jake to finish getting ready so we can go to breakfast because I woke up starving. I'm so hungry. And we're gonna go check out this place that I've been seeing all over Instagram that here in Miami, and it's called I Crave. And I'm very excited because they have things like oxtails and grits and like fruity pebble waffles and just a really cool breakfast place, and I am starving. I woke up so freaking hungry. So as soon as Jake does that, that's Overwatching in the background, by the way. As soon as Jake does that, then we'll go ahead and head on out. And I'm bringing you guys with me today. Yay! Alright, let's wait on Jake now. Hey guys, so we're finally out the house. We are headed to get this breakfast. It's only 11 o'clock. It's not that late. It's not that late for breakfast. I need to do my nails because clearly I'm waiting on this girl to call me back. If not, I might have to go somewhere else because my nails look super hurt and I'm just not with it no more. So yeah, but I'm gonna take you guys with me for all of this, or all of that rather. Why didn't I bring my makeup, Paola? That's what you were supposed to do, you idiot. I didn't think that through. I have so many things that I was supposed to do today, and I'm not doing any of them. I might have to run back to the house after breakfast and grab my makeup to do those things that I said I was gonna do. We'll see. Depends on how quickly we can eat breakfast. If not, it might have to be a slight change of plans. We'll see how everything works out. We'll see, because I really do need to take these pictures for my portfolio. I really need to get things moving, so that's what we will do. Anyways, Jake, you have anything you want to say to them? Or are you just chilling? You got anything you want to say to them, or are you just chilling? Okay, you're just chilling. He's just chilling right now, y'all. You're just chilling. Oh, excuse me. Alright guys, I'll show you guys breakfast in a bit. So excited, guys. Yo, I'm sorry. I forgot to show y'all my waffle because it was so damn good. I attacked her. This is corned beef hash and cheese, grits, and eggs, and I'm so excited. And this is James. It's a fruity pebble waffle with chicken strips. Use the knife, puppy. You don't need to. I'm a little upset at myself because I have to drive all the way back home because I left my makeup and I'm supposed to be working on something later with my family. So I have to go grab my makeup. Thank God I'm not too far from home, but I still would have rather not have to drive back. The girl never hit me up about my nails. I'm about to text her and tell her I'm just gonna go, I guess, somewhere else and get them done because I have stuff to do for the rest of the day. What else I was gonna say? I'm trying to think. Oh, the food. The food was so good, y'all. Like, so good. I need to put some lip gloss on. Actually, my lips feel a little dry. But the food was so delicious and amazing. And yeah, it was so good. I'm really happy about it. Hold on. I can't find my lip gloss anywhere. That's a problem. I hope I didn't lose it. Oh, there it is. Here's my lip gloss. I love this so much. It's so bomb. So good. The Kopari lip glossy. This is the coconut melt one. I think they're all coconut melt. I think that's Kopari. All of them are coconut melt. Why is the like image so weird? I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm dark, guys. It's super bright outside. Anyways, the food was so good. So I got the red velvet waffle with corned beef hash, cheese grits, and cheesy eggs. Jake got the chicken and waffles with a fruity pebble waffle, and it was so good. Like, all of it was so good. And I had got lemonade, Jake got fruit punch, and then I switched it to the raspberry iced tea, and it's so good. I'm a little bit of shame that it's so close and I've never been, and the prices are really affordable. Hold on, I gotta turn. Hopefully I don't drop this camera. Oh, I'm holding you guys. So now I gotta run, grab my stuff from the house, and then yeah, go do my nails and do the rest of my stuff, and, you know, live life. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my nails yet. I want to do a couple of things. I either want to do like the holographic nails. Shoot, this is really bothering me how dark it looks. Oh, I didn't mean to zoom y'all like that. Now I'm gone. That was me taking a red light, talking about, no, I'm gone. Anyway, I'm thinking about either doing like holographic nails, like I've done them before, or doing the milky white nails with like a sunflower on one of my nails, or doing bright yellow nails. And I know that that's like so all over the place, but that's literally the way my mind works. I'm all over the place till I get it together. So I don't know, we'll see. I will keep you guys updated in a few. Let's see what happens. Oh, I have to go drop off my stuff at my mom's house first and then go do my nails. Alright. I wonder if this is enough makeup. This is crazy. Yo, every time. Look at this. Just traffic for no reason. So, of course, I forgot to continue vlogging. The nail salon was pretty crazy, but I went and got my brows done, I got my lashes done, I got my nails done. Oh, hello. Look, and this one, if it'll focus, it's like a cool, like, you know, one of those rocks that you break apart? That's kind of what it looks like. Anyways, so we're at Target and my cart looks crazy right now. Look at this freaking cart though. It's jam-packed. Alright, so let me hurry up and get out of here because I'm really tired.